After a long week of thinking, I actually thought about what to do with all my options, and I came into a conclusion that AI animation series is something that I don't know anything about it, but is the most interesting, and this is what I want to go on. It looks super easy online, but of course I'm gonna get into trouble along the way, but that's part of the whole business game. I need to think about everything from concept, even though I know that it's gonna be related to fitness. I need to think about characters, everything from the beginning, and I'm gonna show everything that I can, also to do this. It's something that I'm not really good at, but I'm gonna do the best that I can to show how I'm thinking and how I'm doing it.
My time has come.
I started actually to investigate two platforms. It's called Xfield AI and LTX Studio. Super interesting. It's not new. People are already doing it, and I'm just a little bit late to the game, I would say. But I'm interested about it. It's the most important thing. I'm super happy that something like actually occupying my mind of like what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do it, how to prompt better. As I said, storyline, everything, what products to sell, A to Z, building a business around some, like content. I have something to create content on, like character that it's not me, that I will be able to create with the computer. Super cool, super interesting. I'm intrigued to keep going. So if you saw my last video and you're still here about my freaking accent that ChatGPT or Claude or whatever doesn't understand what I'm saying, I found an AI coach.
Stop it.
It's called Bold Voice, and I'm actually gonna see how it works. I'm thinking on buying it. It's like $150 a year, and yeah, that's about this one. Let's see how it works, and let's get rolling. Let's get your bang bang and let's get moving. See ya.